Hey guys, welcome to the channel again. Today I broke down, decided to go upgrade my miter saw. You know, I've had one miter saw, the Ryobi one for years and years and years. If you guys can see it right there. I've had that for like over almost 20 years. And that thing has served me so well. Finished the basement with this thing. I built all kinds of things with that saw right there. But recently I was doing some trim work for my windows, and it started cutting and then all of a sudden it stops. Cutting and then it stops. And I was so confused what was going on. It still works. So today I decided to go to Lowe's and just walked around, and I've been thinking about upgrading my saw, but I wasn't sure which kind and which one I should buy. But I didn't want to go with the smaller one like that. I wanted to get something bigger because I'm doing more DIY work more than I used to do when I had that little one. And so I just needed something reliable and something that I might use for a very long time. So I'll be upgrading from that one over there to this new one here, DeWalt. It's not even open it, so we're gonna be doing unboxing together so I can show you guys how it looks. It's way bigger. It's like when I read the box, it was saying that it's about 56 pounds or maybe less than that. So I don't know. So we'll figure it all together, and we can all open the box together and see what's in that box right there. All right. So here's the Ryobi. This guy has served me well for years and years and years. It still works. I'm still gonna try to use it until like it completely dies. But a couple weeks ago, I was using it and it just started, just started dying, like stopping. Instead of just cutting, it would just cut and then stop, cutting and stopping that. I thought maybe my cable wasn't plugged into the wall correctly or to the power correctly, and I checked all that, but I still started doing that. So I think it's time to upgrade and get something nicer and something I can use long term, okay? So if you want one of these and you know how to fix these things, shoot me a message or drop a comment on the line after this review here, and we can arrange it and can take it if you want to. It still might have some life in it. Some of these things can work for forever. And some people are just really good at fixing things, but I did not want to try to open all this part here and figure out what was wrong, but the thing still has life. I don't even know how much this cost when I bought it many years ago, but it still works, and it's done a lot of good work for me. So it's time to upgrade. Drop me a comment if you want it. I'll give it for free. You can take it. All right, so here we go. So here I have DeWalt. Yeah, I hope you guys can see it okay on the camera. Let me just tilt it a little bit easier so you guys can see it. So it looks like that. There you go. So maybe you can read it there on the camera. Let me adjust my camera so you guys can see what I'm trying to say. So there it is. So this is DeWalt double bevel sliding compound miter saw. So this is like a major upgrade for me. I've never used anything that has a bevel, double bevel or a sliding miter saw, but I can't wait to try it out. So it's 12 inch in millimeters is 305 millimeters. Let me get closer so you guys can see. This is the model number, the DWS780. This was for $649 or $6 something, but Lowe's had some sale on these brand new ones, and so I got this for like $449. So that was a pretty decent deal for this. So that's how it looks. This is the top. It looks like that. It just says the same information on the side. This is the item number if you want to Google it, or if you want to go to Lowe's.com and check it out. It's the same information. There's nothing new on that side. And then on this side, it gives you more information. So this one gives you more information. On this side, everything is in Spanish. I don't know what this language is. But you got a light on it, integrated cut line. So basically when you try to cut it, give you, instead of just trying to line your blade, there's a light that lights on top of the piece of wood that you try to cut. Work light system provided, adjustment-free cut line indication for accuracy and visibility. High versatility scale, make bevel angle adjustment accurate and easy. Compact, lightweight. Oh yeah, this was 58 pounds. So it's pretty heavy, 26.3 kilograms. It says highly efficient, and it's got like this dust collection contraption back here. You can plug it into like a shop vac and collect the dust. And that's what I like, because the other one didn't have that. It has like a little bag. I guess you can still connect that into your shop vac and get it to work. I want to try this. It's got 3-year warranty on it. I think that's pretty much it, okay? And then on this side right here, it says it is 15.0 amps. Blade diameter is 12 inches. No load speed. I don't know what that means. Tool weight, what did they find out? That was 58. And just a little bit more information. So, okay. So let's open this bad boy together. I haven't even opened this. It's still wrapped. Still on this plasticky thing here. It's the first time opening it. So if you like stuff like this and you like to get the reviews and watch reviews of tools like this, stick around. Let's open this together. There you go. Got this. I'm gonna have to move this back here a little bit further. There we go. Move that back, plasticky side. There it is. This is like that with the handles. I have to connect those here in a bit. And if you have any questions after this review and you just want to know a little bit more about it, please feel free to shoot me a message and I will be more than happy to answer your questions, okay? This is the dust collecting thing in the back there. It also has a bag, just like the other one, to collect dust. It says DeWalt. This is the, I don't know where I put the knife right here. So this is I think the manual. The manual for these. Man, why did they put so much tape on this? Okay. This is the manual right here, and like this is your screw or the driver to connect all the parts. So we'll put that right there and that right there. There's another piece right here. This is like the clamp to clamp things onto the miter saw. So one thing that I've been wondering, like I'm still learning. I'm just a new guy that don't know what he's doing, but enjoy to figure things out and have fun. I know this is called the miter saw, but then the box says compound miter saw, so I don't know what that means. So you guys experts there, could you help me out and explain to me what's the difference between just a miter saw and a compound miter saw, or it's or that's the general name for any miter saw? I have no idea, but I know how to use it. So here it is, it's still covered in the plastic. And like I said, this is 58 pounds, almost 60 pounds. So I'm gonna have to really lift it really hard out of this thing here. There it is. There it is, I got it. So let's put this back in here. All right, still wrapped in the paper, plastic. Let's get it out of this. There we go. Brand new miter saw. Man, I've never, last time I bought one was 20 years ago. But back then I wasn't doing a lot of DIY stuff, but now I do. So there it is. Got that. So there you go, guys. It looks like that. There it is. And I think that's the sliding. And it comes with a blade from DeWalt. Somebody was telling me that the blades that come with this don't work great, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna use what it's in there until it dies, like until it can't cut anymore, before I can buy a new one. But there it is, guys. There it is. It looks nice. It looks very nice. Man, I've never had one of these. What an upgrade. There. I hope you guys can see everything nice and clear. That's the blade that comes with it. 12-inch finishing, fine finish. That's what it says right here. A 60T. There you go. So it looks like that, guys. And I think this is supposed to like rotate also that way. I'm gonna have to play around with it and try to figure it out. This is just, right now it's just like that. And it's the same concept, locks like that. If you have one of these, can you shoot me a comment and just give me some advice or some clues, ideas how this thing works? But hey, I know how to read, so I'm gonna read the manual and figure how this moves around. These things goes. I guess it's time to get into the manual to see how things work. But anyway, just wanted to share, guys. This is my brand new saw, miter saw, that I just got, and it looks nice. It looks very nice. Man, some of these instructions are not the greatest. Some people that write the instruction, these. Okay, so this thing goes down here, both sides, and then there's open this. All right, so the instructions. So these goes. Let me turn this up. I think this goes right here, right there, and then right there. Yeah, that goes right there. This goes right here. This goes like right there. Like that, and then this goes. This holds it like that. Like a lot of you guys, I'm not a good fan of reading these manuals. Like sometimes I can just figure this out without reading a manual. But a little bit, reading through it a little bit helps to try to get everything situated. But that's it. I think I got that. So yeah, all you need to do is I think this unscrews here, but I'm not sure how. Oh, it's got these wing nuts. Let me see. Let's go in here. See. There's a wing nut. All right, so it's got two wing nuts. There you go. Two of them. One for this side, one for that side. I'm just gonna do this so we can all do it together. So when you get yours, you can just figure it out. But this is how it works, guys. This is how it goes in here. Then you put the little washer, and then the wing nut goes there. I'm not a big fan of these wing nuts. There. That's on there, and then this one the same way. It goes right here, then this goes right there. Put a washer. And a wing nut. Pretty easy, guys, right? And that's it. That's all the assembly you have on it. Everything is comes already assembled. And there it is. So this let me put it right here. This is a handle right here, and then another handle right here. I still haven't figured out how to, maybe this one, locks it. I'm trying to figure out how to lock it. There we go, it's locked. So it's not gonna be moving everywhere. So this goes right here, on this one, on this side, okay? All right, so that's it, man. That's it, guys. That's all you gotta do. And then your dust thing is back here. Right there, it's your dust. I don't even know where this goes. But I know on the other one I have, you would slide somewhere here and then locks. I think it goes right there. But I'll read the manual later. Let me just leave it like this for now. But it's not locking in this. I think there's like a locking, because this seems like it's a locking. It will lock somewhere. Right here. Looks like this is locked somewhere. I don't know. But I will figure it out, guys. I will figure it out. But I just wanted to share with you guys my tool. So if you like these kind of things and you like to know more about these, I'm also still learning how it works and the process, okay? But I will show you guys. I'm gonna building some stuff here in the next couple of days, cutting some wood and cutting some lumber with this, and I'll be so glad to share with you guys. But this is what it looks like. It's pretty heavy, guys. It's like, look at a handle right there, but it's like 58 pounds. Yeah. So this is, you just put it one spot and don't have to move it. So that one is easy to move, to take place. I guess this one you can move too, but once you put it at that job site, you just leave it there. But you can take it up, you can lift, you can carry it. It's not too bad. That's all, guys. That's all I wanted to share, and give you guys a review. I'm not paid by DeWalt to review this. I bought this with my own money, just to be transparent. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Leave a comment. Ask me questions if you want to know more about this. All right. Bye.